Lava is reigniting the budget smartphone market with the Blaze AMOLED 2. This device offers a compelling combination of features, including an AMOLED display and a sub 15,000 rupees price point. The Blaze AMOLED 2 boasts a vibrant 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This smooth high-quality display is unusual in this price segment. Performance is driven by the MediaTek Dimensity 7060 processor, complemented by UFS 3.1 storage and LPDDR5 RAM. This combination ensures fast app loading, efficient multitasking, and a fluid user experience. The 5000 mAh battery supports 33-watt fast charging, promising a full day of use even with extensive screen time. The camera system features a 50-megapixel main rear sensor and an 8-megapixel front-facing camera, suitable for everyday photography and social media content. Additional features include an in-display fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers, and an IR blaster, a surprising inclusion at this price. The absence of a 3.5mm headphone jack means users will need to rely on wireless audio solutions. While Lava has not confirmed the official launch date, the Blaze AMOLED 2 is expected to release soon in India for under 15,000 rupees, making it a highly competitive offering. Could the Lava Blaze AMOLED 2 become the new leader in the budget smartphone category? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for daily tech drops.